Today we will replace the 2-1 and put an On1 Xeal abutment on it and a temporary crown. Yes, always make a little incision that the gingiva will not rupture when we extract. Okay, do the same on the palatal side. Okay. Gonna take it away and try to do it by turning. Yeah, it will come. That's good because sometimes it is very difficult to extract, but now it's very easy. Go to the buccal. You see there's lacking a bit of bone here. Okay, we will start the preparation by using the precision drill. I start really in the palatal wall, a little bit to the distal, because the emergent profile of the 1-1 is also a bit distally. Wait for the water to come. There it is. Make the starting point. You see we are really palatal in the socket. In this case we choose to do it freehand because we have a good side. Planning is easy. Okay. Zeg maar even schoon. We use the 2mm twist drill. Okay. This is about 15 mid-facial. So I have to go about ideal position. Now we are about 18mm deep. Next drill, 2824 twist drill. Okay. And we're going to use this also full length. Full length plus 3mm. I like to over prepare a bit because then I can choose for the depth of the implant. This is the 2832 twist drill. That's it. Now I'm gonna place the drill into the osteotomy like this, and now I'm able to fill the original socket. Scraeus, xenogain, 0.5 gram, the small particles. And now I can feel free to fill the socket with the bone particles. We're gonna use the NobelActive Thigh Ultra 3.5, that's narrow platform Thigh Ultra surface. And now already it's very stable. It has to be at least subgingival. So I go deeper down with a lot of initial stability. You will see later on exactly in the angulation. This is a surgical torque wrench for NobelActive. Okay. It's 70. It's okay. The implant driver. This is the On1 base. Gonna mount this base onto the implant. Now I can take off the peak handle, the On1 screwdriver, okay, and now I want to do it with 35 Newton centimeters. Temporary abutment with a peak handle. Gonna adjust the temporary abutment with the prosthetic wrench. In this case we prepare the temp shell. The position is okay, but the temporary
abutment is a little bit too long, so we're going to take off the temporary abutment and adapt it. Now I'm going to unscrew it. We shortened and adapted the temporary abutment a bit, so it will fit into the temp shell. Because we disconnected, we have to torque the base again. Yeah, but I have to feel where it is in the hex. Those are 6 positions though. No, it's okay. We cover the abutment screw with some Teflon tape. We add some resin material to it, just enough to get it fixed.
Sorry voor mijn gespetter. Kun je even dichtbijten? Kun je klaar? Ja, doe maar open. Klaar. Bijt nog eens dicht. Open. Nou voel je niet meer, hè? Nee. Goed. Oké, gonna polish it. Okay.